the Discovery Cove right now, and it looks amazing. Actually, the entrance is looking really good. And welcome to today's new vlog.
Hey guys, continue on down the center pathway, double doors to your right hand side for breakfast.
Okay, thank you. This is the Laguna Grill, where you come for breakfast. So they have almost everything. If you are vegetarian or vegan, you have to make a special request, and it will cut down some of the options, but most of the things you will get it, and it's really good. But if you are coming like a little bit after 8 o'clock, you have to stay in the line, so try to come early so you don't have to wait in the line. It's not much, but you have to wait around like a half an hour or 20 minutes. They also have a kids option. They also have the milk and the chocolate milk, just the regular. Also they have the cereals. We are currently at the Laguna Grill, and we are heading to the Starfish Cabana. That's where we have the dolphin show. Actually, it's not a show, it's just a dolphin swim. So that we will gonna do, and then we will gonna go around the park and we're gonna explore more area. It's 11 right now. We had a breakfast, we changed the clothes, and now we are going for the swimming. So far, I really like that. Everything is really good. There are so many fishes just like swimming around, so make sure you don't touch them or make sure you don't cross them. Look, one is in here. Guys, everything is included in the main price. If you want the alcoholic beverages, you make sure you get the $40 extra add-on to your main price, because alcoholic beverages is not included in the price, but everything else is. Again, to eat lunch, you have to come to the Laguna Grill, and hours of operation is until 3:30. Just a pro tip: if you are coming, guys, after 3:30, if you make them a special request, they will gonna give you another school lunch free of cost. Traffic will be same unless until if you come to the 11:30 for the lunch. I don't think so anybody will come before that time, so you have to come around like 1 or 1:30. So that will be a good time. There will be little traffic, but it will be all set. Overall, amazing experience. If you don't upgrade anything, still you will gonna find so many details and so many like a different kind of experience which I think you will not gonna have in your life. Here where we started from. Oh, finally, it was a long swim. I like that. One of the best thing to visit in here. And park is closing right now. Guys, if you like my video, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next vlog.